Good evening, guys. Welcome back and welcome to my vlog. My name is Tawana and it is officially Vlogmas day 12. Can you guys believe it? Look at this. Look at this. Who would have thought? But yeah, today, well, it's actually Saturday night. You guys will be seeing this on the 12th of December. I actually didn't feel too good most of today. Just the usual, you know, cramps and all that stuff with feminine problems. But did feel a little better and I was like, you know what? I have these cookies that I wanted to bake. So today we're going to be having a little bake with me segment for our Vlogmas day 12. Just want to tell you guys, of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. We still have 12 more days of Vlogmas to go. We're halfway there, but obviously you want to get to the second half. So subscribe and don't miss anything. We'll be having so much more fun activities. So stay tuned for that, of course. But like you can see here, I have this cookie mix. I actually got this from Crate & Barrel, y'all. And it comes with two flavors of cookies. There are the chocolate peppermint and then vanilla sugar. Now, this thing says that it makes literally it says it makes 4 dozen cookies, and I'm like, I don't need that much cookies at all. So what it comes with, let me show you guys in the box real quick. So it comes with our little cookie mix. We have the peppermint cookie here with, well, chocolate peppermint, yeah. Chocolate peppermint, and then this is our vanilla sugar. And then we've got these little sprinkles that we can basically put, but we gotta roll the cookies in to make them look like the box. And it's a pretty like simple recipe on here. And it just asks for half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, which I have out for the last like hour or so, and then 1 large egg. I already preheat the oven, or set it to preheat up to 350 degrees as it says here. And yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna half the recipe for each of these. So I'm not gonna be making, I'm not making 4 dozen cookies. We'll only do like half the peppermint and half the vanilla. And that means I'm only gonna need 1 egg for both of them. So I already kind of like whisked up just 1 egg in this. You can't probably see it a little bit, but so I'll just use like half for each one. But I think we're gonna start off with the vanilla. It seems a little simpler. And I guess let's just get into this. Let's dive right in. Okay, how much is in this package is what I'd like to know, actually. We're just gonna wing it. We'll see, you know. Okay, so I think it might be about like 2 cups in here. So let's do 1 cup and see what that would look like for the vanilla. Wait, am I doing this right? Am I supposed to start with this? It says, okay, I gotta mix together my butter and my egg first. So let's pause on this and do that part first. It's about half our egg mixture. Oh, just egg. And we need half a cup of butter. And I don't know if I'll have enough butter. Well, I have some other butter in the fridge, so I can use that as well. I'm gonna take it out real quick so it's at room temperature, like we need it to be. Man, I should not have poured this thing in here already. It's gonna be a mess. Okay, it's about a 1/4 cup. I'm using like my almond butter, my plant-based butter, so we'll see how that works out. Yeah, that's about half. So mixing this up real quick. But you guys, I've just been so busy with editing the vlogs and filming the vlogs and everything. I haven't actually come on here and told y'all that I hit 1K subscribers on YouTube. I can't believe it, because I literally was like, not too long ago, you know, kind of like trying to get the numbers up. I was like at 500 subscribers at one point, and it really just went up, I think, from this videos I did last year. There are 2 of them I did. One was like the top 5 joggers in my opinion from like different brands, so I ranked those. That has about 10K views right now. And the views of another one I did, which is like 8 casual fall wintertime outfits. So those views I started like climbing out of nowhere in the last like couple weeks, and I gained a lot of subscribers from that. So I do want to just come here and say, of course, you know, thank you everybody who has recently subscribed to me. I hope that you guys, you know, I guess are liking what I show on here. So I just want to say that I do appreciate every one of you guys. And I am thinking of a giveaway. I haven't like narrowed down yet what I want to do. It will be like a gift card, and I'll announce it pretty soon as soon as I, you know, finalize what I'm actually going to be giving away. So stay tuned for that, of course. It will be in Vlogmas. I'm not going to take, you know, forever to do that. And then, yeah, just to show you guys I appreciate, you know, subscribing and watching my videos. Okay, so that is mixed. Okay, now we're going to add our, you know, this to that. Oh, that's the oven. It just preheat to 350 degrees. I think it's about 2 cups in here, to be honest, y'all. Should I measure this? I should, but I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm not. Okay. But it is just crazy how like things work out, because I'm not gonna lie, I was like honestly getting kind of discouraged from doing YouTube at one point, just because it takes so long to just not only film. Filming is like the easiest part of YouTube, I feel like. Well, for what I do. It's just, you know, editing. I do work full time and everything, so finding the time to sit down and edit things and try to make it be actually to my standard, you know. It takes me a minute, it takes me a couple hours, and I get lost into editing things. And I'm like, you know, sometimes when I saw the views, I'd be like, what am I even filming this for? So it did kind of like get me down a couple times. And then sometimes I kind of got burnt out at one point this year where I was like, I just don't want to edit. So I didn't post for like 2 weeks straight, and my usual schedule for posting is every Sunday. So I skipped 2 weeks because I was just like, you know what, I'm in a funk and I'm just not going to stress myself to post videos. So yeah, I feel like it's always good to take a break and just say that it is natural, of course, if you're working on something new, that it's not going to work out right away. And it's okay to feel discouraged, but we just have to, you know, trust the timing, trust that you know that what you're putting out is really good, you know, quality, whatever it might be. And oops, making a little mess. Yeah, just gotta trust ourselves. Guys, I just realized I messed up. Since I'm halving the recipe, I should actually put a 1/4 cup of butter and not a 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna have to just make a whole pack of the vanilla mix now, because yeah, it will be too soft with this amount of butter. Oh, God. Okay. I'm just gonna dump in the rest of that egg, and we'll just use another 1/2 egg. I'll just take some to work or give my friends, whoever, you know, wants some cookies. You can have a lot of vanilla. I don't even know how I messed that up already. I just got into talking. That's what happens. I should have been focusing on my measurements, but I was talking and rambling on to you guys, so that's what I get. But no, it's okay. Yeah. Let me mix this real quick, and I'll, you know, get back to you guys once I'm done, because it's taking a little elbow grease to do this. Okay, guys, so I rolled it up into like a ball. It's a big dough ball right now. And I poured the little sprinkles in this little jar, so it's in here. And I also lined our baking sheet, our cookie sheet. So they said all we have to do now is we're gonna roll this into like 1-inch balls, dip 1/2 of the ball into that, and then put it on the cookie baking sheet. It's kind of soft, to be honest, and I don't know what like a 1-inch ball measurement is in terms of like a ball. So bear with me, might be super big, but yeah. I'm gonna have to make 2 trays because I didn't have the recipe, but I'll see how the size is for the first tray, and then we can always, you know, adjust it for the second one, of course, second batch. If it's too big or it's too small, we'll find out. What if the little balls are gonna be inside of this thing? I can already tell, because it keeps falling like from my hand into the mixture. I really think I'm making them too big. If this is supposed to make 2 dozen, I've made 3, 6, 9. It's gonna be 1 dozen, y'all. So I think my cookies are gonna be way too big. We'll see how it comes out, like I said, though. That's what our baking sheet looks like. Not too shabby for now until we pop them in the oven. And it only goes in for 12 minutes, so let's put them in. Hey Siri, set the timer for 12 minutes from now. Okay. Actually got another, what you call it, baking sheet, so we can actually do our chocolate. And I did use only half a cup, well not half, my bad, a 1/4 cup of butter for our chocolate peppermint. Smells good. So we got to do half of this. Let's see here. Only thing is my butter was not like proper, you know, not melted, I want to say, but yeah, it wasn't room temperature a lot for the one that I used. So we'll see how that goes. Honestly, I've done like cooking where it says like get room temperature butter, and I just use regular butter right out the fridge, and it doesn't really ruin it, so we'll be all right, I feel like. This is so pepperminty. I can definitely smell all the peppermint in this. Hope it's not like that Starbucks drinks that I bought that was like, you couldn't taste the chocolate, you could only taste peppermint. Because if you say there's like 2 flavors in something, I expect to taste both of them, you know? Can't half-ass it. And depending on how good this peppermint tastes, I might not even make the rest of it, I'm not even gonna lie. Because who's gonna eat this? Not me. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to form another dough ball, and I'll catch you guys in a minute, of course. So lay it all flat on the cookie sheet. Okay, we got our little chocolate peppermint ball ready to go. Oops, it fell over. So I'm gonna roll it into this baking pan right here. I'll keep saying all types of names for this. Cookie sheet, baking sheet, tomato, right? Because I'll tell y'all, I use this 365 a year, and it's not for cookies 99% of the time. Not gonna lie, I'm not even like a big fan of cookies. What's your go-to dessert? Like, I will go for a cake over a cookie. I'm just more of like a pastry girl more than a cookie girl. So I'll take a cake, cupcakes mainly, of course, or a slice of cake, maybe a muffin. Oop, that's our alarm, so our cookie should be ready. Okay. They look good, but I want to leave them for like, if you guys can maybe see down here, I want to leave it for a minute again. Let me see the bottom. Oh, they're brown at the bottom, perfect. So I'm gonna leave it for 2 more minutes, just to be sure that it's not so white on top. I like a little golden brownness or something. I know it's vanilla cookies, so hey Siri, set an alarm for 2 minutes from now. Yeah, so I know it's not gonna be like, you know, dark brown or anything, but still just a little bit more color would work for me. Maybe I should flatten them a little bit more. I feel like it's so thick in there too. No, we're gonna keep it as is, because this flattening thing is not gonna work out for me. I already see it. And I think it's supposed to be soft on the inside anyway, so that would be best to not mess with the shape. Time to really take it out. So since I have a little bit of room on this baking sheet, I'm gonna put the rest of the vanilla ones I stuck them in the fridge so they wouldn't melt. I'm gonna roll them and fit them on here because not much left. Great Meryl said this thing makes 4 dozen cookies, 2 dozen I would say. I mean, like, what kind of tiny cookies is you gonna be making if you're making 4 dozen of these? They'll be so small. The chocolate ones do not look the best, y'all. Not even gonna lie. Even this one, I was like, my finger got stuck in there. And we got a little tiny one right here. But I'm gonna pop these in the oven for about, I'll put it for 13 minutes. I will say this smells so damn good, y'all. The peppermint chocolate. So here's the second batch. We're all done. I'm just gonna set this out, let it cool a little bit, and then I'll taste it out for you guys. And then lastly, of course, we'll have tea time segment. Also, actually, I want to plate it nicely. Let's see if I can plate it, make it look cute. Look how cute this looks. So good, you guys. Look at our cookies. I'm in love, and I can't wait to taste test them. I have some more in the back. I just plated like a certain amount. So that's what we got for now. But it looks really good, not gonna lie. And it smells delicious too. So I'm burning up in this kitchen, y'all. Not even gonna lie. Let me try to get a thumbnail real quick and we can be done with this. Moment of truth. We're gonna start off with our vanilla, then our chocolate peppermint. Let's see how it goes, how it tastes. I really taste vanilla in this. Not even gonna lie. Very lightly flavored vanilla. Okay, that's what it is. Now for this one. This one's actually pretty good. Not too much peppermint, not too much chocolate, so I like that. These parades, whatever they call them, little balls, are hard as hell. Pop in my mouth. I actually prefer the chocolate peppermint to the vanilla. Because I don't really taste vanilla in there. I mean, how it is what it is. Let me finish. I'm gonna clean up and then we're gonna have tea time to see what we have tonight. All right, let's see what we're gonna be getting into tonight for our tea. Let's go over this side here and see what we can find. Okay, we've got, this is actually really good. It's chamomile, mint, citrus. Ooh, blend of green tea, chamomile, mint, and orange. It's a very interesting blend, chamomile, mint, and citrus. So I like a good citrus tea though, and chamomile. I'm not sure about the mint, especially, well, I mean, I just ate peppermint, so that's okay. So let's whip it up. Here it goes, you guys. A little chamomile, peppermint, and citrus. This is interesting and different, but really good. It's not too much mint, and I love the citrus with the chamomile, like, and a little hint of mint is actually pretty good. So this is, yeah, like I said, nothing I've had before, but definitely, I'll give it an A+ in my book. Yum. So I'm gonna finish this up for you guys. I'm actually pretty warm because obviously I was baking in the kitchen. I have on a sweater and I'm drinking hot tea, so I'm gonna just chill out for a minute and cool down. Okay, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed the vlog and our little baking together. Let me know if you'll be baking anything good this Christmas time, this holidays. What's your go-to for, you know, your favorite snack or dessert that you like to make? I'm gonna close off the vlog, of course, right here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13. So stay tuned for that as always. And until then, bye guys.